Heuristic method. The word heuristic has been derived from the Greek word heurisko, which means I find or I discover. This method implies that the attitude of students shall be that of the discoveries and not of passive recipients of knowledge. Armstrong originally introduced this method for learning of science. This method emphasizes experimentation as the teacher becomes onlooker and the child tries to move ahead independently without any help. This method makes the student self-reliant and independent. But the teacher should develop the heuristic attitude by making a lot of preparation. The questions should be so planned that it may be possible for the student to find the solution independently by proceeding in the proper direction. According to H.E. Armstrong, this is the method of teaching which places the pupils as far as possible in the attitude of a discoverer. Westaway said that the heuristic method is intended to provide training in method. Knowledge is a secondary consideration altogether. Now example, the population of a city is 50,000. If percentage increases in population is 4% per year, then find out the population of the city after 2 years. Now for solution, teacher will tell the students to repeat this question many times and will tell them to find the solution with the help of suitable researching questions, and he will encourage them for finding correct solution. We can understand the solution of the problem with the help of questions asked by the teacher. The question asked by the teacher and expected answers given by the students are listed in this following table. In the same way, applying this method, we can prove that a to the power 0 equal to 1. N. Kuppuswamy Iyengar have pointed out that the heuristic method is intended to change the passive recipient of knowledge into an active independent inquirer and discoverer of knowledge. The maxims practice makes a man perfect and learning by doing are applicable not only to physical activities but to intellectual activities also. The main purpose of this method is to train the pupil to think. This is very important method for educational point of view because scientific and mathematical attitude is developed in the minds of students. The success of this method depends upon the teacher. As a general rule, it can be said that give the minimum amount of help. Do not tell anything which the child can find out for himself. Avoid leading questions. Let the questions be such a require real thinking on the part of the pupil to find solutions for. Too much help is of course against the spirit of this method. Merits of heuristic method. This is a psychological method as the student learns by self-practice. It creates clear understanding. It is a meaningful learning. The student learns by doing, so there is a little scope of forgetting. It develops self-confidence, self-discipline in the students. The students acquire command of the subject. He has clear understand and notions of the subject. It gives the student a sense of confidence and achievement. The methods makes them exact and bring them closer to truth. It inculcates in the students the interest for subject and also develops willingness in them. Now demerits of heuristic method. It is not suitable for lower classes as they are not independent thinkers. Discovery of a thing needs hard work, patience, concentration, reasoning and thinking powers and creative abilities. It is a very slow method and this is time consuming method. It is lengthy. The students have to spend a lot of time to find out minor results. The teacher may find it difficult to finish the syllabus in time. It does not suit larger classes. It suits only hardworking and original thinking teachers. A method is successful if well-equipped libraries, laboratories and good textbook written in heuristic lines, but such facilities are lacking in our school. Heuristic method is not quite suitable for primary classes. However, this method can be given a trial in high and higher secondary classes. Moreover, it is the essence of all the methods. Any method of teaching mathematics that develops in the pupil the attitude of doing thinking and discovering by themselves is heuristic. In fact, the heuristic method, in a sense, is not a method of teaching but an attitude. Now try this. Discuss heuristic method with suitable example. What are the advantages and disadvantages of heuristic method of teaching mathematics?